Wow, so many stars out tonight.
I know, I'm trying to count them. How many do you think? 40, 45?
How about 200 billion trillion?
That is bonker balls.
Soak up the stars with the Wow in the World Kids Telescope and Astronomy Kit. This high-quality refractor telescope allows you to experience the marvels of space from your own backyard. With 25 times and 50 times magnification powers, you can observe the deep craters of the Moon, the red surface of Mars, and the many constellations that sparkle in the night sky. The full-height metal tripod extends up to 48 inches, and the bonus included star wheel helps to orient you in the vast cosmos. Scan the QR code in the guide to access exclusive Wow facts from Wow in the World podcast hosts Guy Raz and Mindy Thomas.
The brightest objects in the night sky are the Moon and Venus, which is nicknamed the evening star because it glows like a sparkling diamond.
See all the wows in the sky with the Wow in the World Kids Telescope and Astronomy Kit for curious kids ages 6 and up.
From Wow in the World
and Thames and Cosmos.